Guys, we're back with another video. We know it's been like a month or so, but the weather's been a little messed up here. But yeah, now we're back, and my dad's taking us somewhere mysterious. I have no idea. So Papa, where are we going?
We are headed to a car show today.
A car show?
Yeah, so there's a car show here in Las Vegas today where people bring over their custom built vehicles, some classics, some newer, like souped up ones to for racing and things like that. So we're gonna go check that out today. I think it'll be fun. They're gonna have cars, music, things like that. So let's head it out there. Let's see what happens.
This is the World Market Center, and it's pretty big. We always pass by it, and yeah,
They do a lot of the big furniture shows and things like that here.
Really?
All over the world, yeah.
There's furniture shows?
Yeah.
That's weird. I did not know.
New that's coming out.
There's a stratosphere over there. You can jump off of it, which is crazy. There's also a few rides up there, which is pretty nice. There's all of downtown.
No, that's the strip. Downtown was back there.
Oh, well, yeah. And yeah, now we're entering onto the highway. Guys, there's the Carvana elevator back there. There's the Rio Hotel, and then over here is the Caesar's Palace, the Compulsion up there, and then the Bellagio,
yeah.
and then Aria, and then the Raiders Stadium should be coming up here too, or the Allegiant Stadium.
Yeah, there's the Vdara.
Aria right there.
Aria Vdara, yeah.
Had a little bit of construction going on.
Yeah. And then we also have the T-Mobile Arena here. That's the
Golden Knights hockey.
Golden Knights hockey team plays in there. And then
Stadium. And guys, there's like 65,000 people that can sit in there.
what do you think so far? Very cool, right? Go check it out. Which one is that? A Viper? Woo! Hello there, good looking. Pretty nice, huh? What is that? A Skyline. Huh?
This is imported.
This is imported? Oh, it's a right-hand drive, yeah. Look at that thing. Woo! it's imported. How many?
Only 567 miles.
Yeah. That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
It's like barely been driven. What's this thing over here? A Supra. Also imported. These are all imports. Look at that. Check out that one with that steering wheel. Woo! It's a Lancer? Somebody got a Tesla over here.
Oh my God, look at that Camry.
Let's go check it out. Look at that thing.
That is a Camry that you never see. That's a, oh, look at that, bro.
Woo! Okay, I can see myself in that. A 4-door with the Lambo doors. Look at this thing. 4-door Camry. Insane, right? These people, how they get their ideas. Wow. Look at this thing.
TV's in the floor.
Oh man.
They come up.
Well,
Look
hello.
at that. It's just a Maybach. A whole gaming.
Wow, they got TVs on the floor.
There's a whole gaming setup in the back. You can play video games in the back.
Wow. Look at that.
Xbox, PS4.
Ooh, what's that? What's under the glass there?
Oh, that's nitrous.
Oh, nitrous. Oh my goodness. Some of these guys with their crazy ideas, how they built these. Yeah.
I see some interesting cars over there.
Yeah, we'll go check those out. But let's take out this thing. This is for like, if you go camping. Yeah, but it's, right? It's a Ford. Say what? R35 original. Oh yeah? Wow. Yeah, it's imported. See, it's got a right-hand drive on it. What is it? NSX?
Alright guys, just so you guys know, we have every $5 you spend on the gear hand and the computer fee. We're doing some raffles in the car. So check out the and also in the city booth. They're giving away a free set of motors.
You got a Subaru right here?
Every $5 you spend is going to get you an entry.
Oh, look at that Porsche right there.
Ooh.
Also, 345 is
Look
a
at that
set,
engine.
so make sure you guys don't go nowhere at 345.
What is it? Which Porsche are you talking next to your? Oh yeah.
Also, if you guys see anybody coming up for tickets, please make sure you guys check.
Infinity. This Acura is sitting low. Look at that.
Probably on max.
It's probably what?
On max. So like it's air suspension, so it can lower and then raise up.
Yeah. But man, is there even a gap in between that?
Literally touch it. Look. Splitter. Touch it.
Man. She's got the pearl Look at that pearl paint.
Red and
That's
silver,
shining.
black on red.
We brought their Jetta. Wonder what's under the hood with that. What do we got here? An Audi what? RX-6? Ooh.
It's a Q5, actually.
Look at that. Is that the Nitro right there?
Yeah, that is.
Watch your head. Oh my goodness, look at this. All carbon fiber.
Oh! Here you go.
Oh, hello.
Oh, that's a big nitrous. Oh yeah, on airbags. See this? This is the pump to lift the car up. They can control this and the car will go up.
Oh, really? It's like all the hydraulics and not the hydraulics, but like the air suspensions.
At this moment,
They're all the Infinity models. Look at
oh
that.
my god, it's like Infinity.
All the Infinities.
Infinity, yeah, it's the Infinity.
Woo! What is this? What is this over here?
ZL6.
ZL6?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Woo!
Picture that.
Yeah. We're just doing the. This is what?
Brand new Mustang like this.
It's a 5.0 Ford Mustang. Tesla. What did they do with the Tesla? Just dropped it, carbon fiber, made it really low.
Bag, right? Yep, it's on bag. Yeah, so it's on like and it's on air suspension.
Holy cow. What did they do with this thing?
A lot.
Gee.
This is
Too much explosion in this thing.
Definitely not a normal Lexus.
Definitely not a normal Lexus. What do we got here?
Japan.
What is it? What?
Japan.
Japan flag. It is from Japan, my friend.
What is this BMW? Oh,
Ooh,
too
ooh.
low.
She's got the pearls, but I don't know if she's gonna keep them long.
Another Infinity.
Another Infinity. Let's find a GTR. Is there a GTR? Did you see one?
One at the front.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go check out those trucks over there, and then we'll find the GTR. What do you got?
Four-door?
A four-door.
They made it into a four-door?
Yeah.
That's not supposed to be a four-door. That's not a four-door.
Okay. That's
An R34?
an R34, and they made it to a four-door. I tell you, these people, they're very talented, you know? These guys that make the modification on them.
Traigo mata natural y humo de planta. 2, 3 cabrones dando lata y yo haciendo más plata. De esto rápida se trata y pa' que sepas no es barata. En cita bolos desbarata con cada escalón que sube. Yo tuve la suerte de hacerme familia y tuve 2, 3 raperos de antaño que me bajé de su nube. Los mandé pa' su casa y de premio hasta les pagué el Uber. Si alguien me tires porque esa te dije con mi negocio si quieres de mi parte. No quiero estar más delante pero si me tiras la neta me tengo mi arte. Otra mitad que puedes pasarte.
What is it?
Yeah, this is that one.
What is this?
This is a Ford Deluxe Coupe.
Ford LSQ? What year is it? Does it say?
1941.
1941. Woo! What is this here, Heather? Ferrari what? It's a 1994 F. All original. Wow. Yeah. Ooh, what's next to it over here? ZL6. Another ZL6? What is it? Ooh-wee. Hello, good looking. Man. Yeah.
And then look at that right next to it.
Yeah, the wrap on it. Vegas Elite. Wow, look at the picture when it's lit up.
Yeah. I think it's into multiple stores. Yeah, it's into multiple stores. Look at the engine in this.
Say what?
Look at the engine.
Yeah. Look at the one next to it. What do we got here?
Bentley Continental.
Bentley what?
Continental GT.
Continental GT?
Yup.
Oh wow.
Inside, outside, they did a nice job.
Baddie. Hello. My goodness. Kind of gonna shake that thing. Kind of gonna shake that thing. The history of it, right? Look at that. Look, man. Wow. It went from. Look at this thing now. Carbon fiber, right? RX-6 right there. This one, the red one. Oh, sorry, bud. Here. This one, check it out. Tell me more about it.
It's also imported.
It's also imported, yeah. What is this? Heather. It's a Mercury Cougar?
Yeah.
Ooh, is she good looking? Woo. You look clean.
Look at that spoiler.
Yeah. Woo. Yeah?
Yeah, this car was in a movie.
Wow.
Yeah. Cougar was used in an opening scene of the movie This Till the Dawn. I've owned this car since 1978. Everything's been broken once. Everything twice. at that RS3. Ferrari. 306. Hellcat SRD. Hellcat SRD. Right there. And Continental. Viper.
What do you think so far?
Amazing.
Yeah, you like it?
I like this. I'm seeing cars I've never seen.